you today, well, a gazebo basically, but this is our DIY spray booth. So I'll just show you around it. This is for doing the Giant Defy frame. It's all in primer, ready for its top coat. As you can see, we've got the spray booth, which is basically a gazebo, which you've got plenty of air at the top. Even over the tops here, you get plenty of air coming in at the top, which is what you want. And then at the bottom, we've got an old extractor fan from a cooker hood. Connect up to a pipe. Over the front there, we've just got these grills, and this is just to keep the dust as a trap. It's just basically aqua foam that you get in a filter for a fish tank, and then an extractor pipe taking the air out. And then what we've got is just tarpaulins around the side, and sort of Jubilee clipped together, which keeps the main wind and any bits flying in. As you can see, we've got the forks there. Excuse the lighting because obviously it's like a little sun trap. And all we've got is some old copper tubing into a pallet, which makes a perfect stand. And there's the main frame and the work light in the corner to give us a bit extra light. So we'll get some spraying done, and then we'll show you the results once we get it finished and hopefully get it rebuilt. So until next time, YouTubers, it'll be right.